Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. They say a picture paints 1,000 words, and words cannot do this property justice. Nestled in the sought after Moorlands Estate, this outstanding property has been designed, built, and decorated to the highest standards. The land size is zero point 0.7 acres. The whole house is modern, airy, and colorful. Not only is there the main house with four beautiful ensuite bedrooms, there is also a separate annex guest quarters with its own ensuite bathroom. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet with extensive storage. There is a spacious living, dining, kitchen, office, and 3.5 baths. The property also boasts a bar, hair salon, and a gym. There is an outdoor shower, swimming pool, and jacuzzi. Additionally, there is an outdoor cooking area with barbecue and burners. At Moorlands, you will be in a prime location, surrounded by tranquility and breathtaking views. Amenities include a clubhouse, swimming pool, fully gated 24 hours security for your peace of mind. Moorlands Estate is only few minutes drive from the town of Mandeville, where you will find all the amenities you will need, such as banks, restaurants, plazas, and supermarkets. This property speaks for itself, and if it's speaking to you, call for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,350,000 or Jamaican $207.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.